Good day everyone, this is French Joor at your service. So for today's video po, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-enter ng date and time, shortcut and in an easy way. So karamihan po sa atin nag-enter ng date and time manually. Example ganito. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang shortcut way. So, for the date, press Control plus semicolon. Yun. Current date natin is May 6, 2024. And yung time, press Control Shift plus semicolon. So, time natin is 10:24 p.m. 10:24 p.m. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.